Really tender.
The C's the really tender. Oh, we're live. Okay. So as we said before, if you're new, we go over this top 10 ex-dividend list every week. We check the comments before we get on. So if you have any questions or want anything evaluated while we're doing this and you don't have time to make this, you watch this after the fact, put them in the list and we will go over them in the beginning of the other one. We didn't have any comments from last time.
Don't
so
try to high-five me now.
We're going to move. I don't know what you were doing over
like,
here.
give me a high-five and you just ignore me, so I just gave myself a high-five.
I wasn't paying attention, as usual. So, yes. All right, moving on to the list.
I put 3 on the list because I'm not sure if the investing.com
Has these on there.
has them on there. If they do, cool. If not,
Let's make this a little bigger so people can see it.
I got an email today about stuff going ex-dividend next week.
Do you know what list it was from?
No, I don't. It's just I get like
A whole bunch of them?
I get so many emails.
I know. I was curious just to see if you knew.
I couldn't possibly even know where the.
So these are sourced from someplace, if they are not on here. All right, so we're going to go through the normal listing.
Hopefully they're accurate.
Hopefully they're accurate. We'll find out.
We will find out.
All right.
So slow and steady.
Give you slow and steady. Canary
No.
Financial.
No. It's 5% for
12.
11 cents.
Saratoga. SAR.
Not you're in the wrong day.
Oh, damn it. I forgot to do the thing. Sorry, kids. I suck at
People.
7? Saturday?
7 to
14.
14.
I suck at people.
People doing stuff. That's why you don't outsource stuff.
I get all flusterpated when we're live.
My helper monkey's horrible.
Blackstone. Too low.
No.
No too low?
No, just there's like lots of other good
DLX?
ones. ECC.
ECC.
There's some bangers on this
Oh,
one.
dang. Look at that one. 33%. ECCC.
So I know from past experience that like there's this whole slew of things there you see with the ECC, EIC, ECCI, or whatever the hell they're all called.
Mm-hmm.
Like the only one that worth looking at is ECC. The rest of them aren't. So, I mean, you're more than welcome to look them up if you want, but like the rest of those Eagle Point ones there are not.
Yes. Tim has looked at those previously.
GLP, HTO.
GLP, HTO. We've done HTO before.
HTO we just got into.
GLP. What?
We just got into HTO. HTO, like
Maybe that's what I'm thinking of.
on a live stream last in December.
Yeah, I thought so. Not good.
MPLX.
MPLX. I recognize that ticker.
OHI.
Hold on. You know I cannot retain.
OHI.
OHI. Oh ho ho.
Oh, ho.
Oh ho ho.
Yeah, like I said last week, like if you weren't thrilled with last week's list and you hold your cash, there's going to be a bunch of them this week just because
Papa John's.
Papa John's is trash.
I know, but look at that fun ticker.
I would never subject people to that shit.
United Guardian.
6 month. I'm not fond of 6 month dividends.
Makes sense.
Okay. Those top two are we're not going to look them up, but they're both utility ones that would be pretty good if you have a retirement account and you just like don't mind sitting something in there for like 20 years.
Oh, so these would have been in play before 2025 started, potentially? Or the better ones that we got in?
We got into some of the good ones.
I
I
don't
know what I know American Water Works, AWK, I looked at that one years ago. AEP, I would imagine, is another fun one. Look up that RNP.
RNP?
Yeah, because I think REITs are going to be
I was just going to ask you about that one and
something
that one.
to be
So
something to
RNP
be
on the
hold.
list?
RNP. Something to behold at the end of this year.
Behold. I love that word. Okay. What about, there's a whole bunch of Cohens. You're just going to pick that Cohen from the whole
Just
group?
that one for now. If we need to come back and visit those closing the funds, we can.
Dolby.
There's
First.
IBM, but that's too low. Yucky.
That's really low. 2%. Lizard? Lazard? Lazard. The hell's Lazard?
We looked that one up previously and it wasn't good.
Yeah, I thought I recognized the Lazard. Lazard? MPX?
Now, SCCO? That might be one to look up. I understand the dividend's 1.8. Look it up. We'll show them why we're looking that one up in a minute.
Yeah, do tell. So Coca-Cola?
It's gold and copper and shit
Oh,
like that.
okay. Oh, yeah, I see. Minerals on the list.
Where's it?
Arrow.
Ombre.
Oh, ombre?
Now, if you listen to us for extended period of time, we were in Triple M. You'll see this KVUE down here. That was the spin-off. Was it? No, that was SLOV. The spin-off. What is KVU? Is a spin-off of something? KMB? Johnson & Johnson?
Do you want me to put it on the list just to look it up?
Yeah, so we can look up where it spun off from.
KVUE?
Yeah, where it spun off from. It's one of the spin-off ones. I forget. Again, I have
so many tickers, they blend together after a while.
I have like 6 billion tickers floating around in my brain, so I can't.
Got to be refreshed every once in a while.
Remember them all.
Nomad Foods.
I mean, 17 cents for 3 months is kind of shit. So.
I knew you were going to nix it. Not good enough. Serious.
No, Target. Yeah, there's Target.
TGT, so that's gone on the list.
That's on the list. So we can look at it, and we can talk about how Target really effed the pooch whenever they decided to be all inclusive. No one wants that from their shopping.
What do you mean?
Well, the reason they got so much backlash is because they had like inclusive policies for like.
Oh, I thought it was the opposite. I thought they went the other way with it.
The reason they went the opposite way is because people rebelled against all their inclusive policies. Fun stuff. Hold on, let's look at those.
ERC?
Those monthly payers there. Look.
Where am I going? Backwards?
Yeah, do ERC. Yeah.
ERC.
That one seems to be.
EHN.
ERC. EHN. What the hell?
ERH.
No, ERC. EHN. No EHN.
Why no EHN? ERH. I got letter transposition.
No.
Okay.
Utilities. I'm pretty sure it's overvalued. I'm wasting
that one. EAD.
5 cents for 9. You mean you can look it up? We can look it up and worst case scenario. Say
Nix it.
Yucky.
I mean, it has that, and that's not terrible. And it's one mo. Leo.
Now these ones like that GUT is like everybody's favorite closing their fund for utilities. So I know that one's overvalued. So there's no reason to even look that one up.
I think we did look that one up before. Do you want to put a different one on this time since Gabelli has a bunch, or no? Negatory.
If I'm going to do any of them, it would be the GDV one. Do the dividend one.
GDV, okay.
Yeah, I know it's not the highest yield, but...
GDV. Yeah, but sometimes slow and steady or more secure is...
Now, we're in GNT. And the funny part about GNT...
Are you putting that on or no?
You can put it on. I'm pretty sure it's overvalued, but I got into GNT with every intention of like every week putting a couple $100 into it from our cash dividends, and the fucker went up like it went up like 20%. Some nonsense.
Don't you hate it when that happens?
I do. It's unacceptable.
Are you really complaining your stock went up 20%?
It's unacceptable.
Oh, what is Gameco? Gamco.
That is a gold one that pays 3 cents a month.
Gameco?
Yeah. So I know that
GGN?
I know that one's overvalued.
All right. So no go?
Yeah, no go on that. Juan.
GHY?
I would do the PGZ one again.
Okay.
12% for real estate.
I can't remember if we had that one on before.
I'm all about real estate tonight.
I know we looked at it, but I can't remember if it actually made the list.
Tonight's the return of the Empire.
I just watched that again.
The Empire Strikes EDF.
EDF.
And you could probably look at AIO. It might be undervalued now because it was overvalued for so long, but AI stocks got their asses handed to them recently.
I figured there'd be a pullback at some point. UTL reminded me of ULTY, which is what you just popped back into.
I did.
Without discussing with me first.
I know. I do ZTR as well.
ZTR.
Zoltan.
It's not Zoltan if it's ZTR.
Zoltrainer. My Zoltrainer. Okay, let's look at this here.
BSET. BBT?
There's a bunch of BlackRock ones, but the BCAT I know
we
just looked back.
BCAT, we did.
Oh, there's DSU. Okay, so
DSU is in here. Cool. So we do have our BlackRock.
Yeah, there's DSU. That's one that we've been in that and in the retirement account for over 3 years now.
Oh my. BME.
BME we have in our Van Life account.
BTT or BIT? I don't remember. Unless I'm confusing that with crypto.
You can do the BSTZ. We'll look that one up this week.
Okay. BSTZ.
That's the science and technology, I think.
I thought we looked that one on last time. I remember you saying science, technology.
Well, there's a BST, which is science and technology, and there's a BSTZ, which is science and technology.
Do you think it was the other one? BUI?
I think it was.
BUI. Sorry.
Oh, there's CSWC is one.
Okay, CSWC.
And CION.
CSWC. CION?
Yeah, Scion. ION.
Scion.
There are going to be a few of these to look up today. Holy
got
crap.
a lot. Secanep, Secapop, CNOB, CNOB.
Duke Energy, that's one that I would...
Duke.
It's not enough for other people.
Fitbit.
Remember the Fitbit?
Yeah.
That was all the rage like
people
3 years,
still have
3 years
Fitbits.
ago.
I never got one. Shocker. HP.
Doc. There's Doc, too. It's on there. Okay,
DLC.
DLC. Okay.
Nice. Joff. Actually, that's not half bad. Joff.
SJM, that one might be undervalued.
Try that one?
Yeah.
Schmucker. Isn't that the one my mom has?
Yep.
Holy crap. My mom apparently has that from like...
It's 40 years ago.
J what? FM? MN?
SM?
SM.
I think. JSM?
Gosh.
SJM?
Oh.
I know the letters. I knew the letters were there.
I'm not even dyslexic. I don't know why though, but everything seems to run together when we're doing this. My brain just like glitches out. KIO, KGS, Kodiak gas. We did a whole, the Kodiak.
You guys remember the Kodiak cameras?
What the heck is Lindsay?
They had the opportunity to do like the GoPro stuff and the Apple iPhones and
they
everything.
said, nah,
and they said, no, we'll just stick with what we know. And then they went bye-bye.
Yeah. The way of the Kodiak. I think we did a podcast episode on that. The way of the Kodiak.
See, that's like... you
Otis.
can put OXLC on there, but that dividend seems a bit high.
OXLC?
Yes, OXLC and OXSQ.
OXLC, OXSQ?
SQ.
Squaw.
OXSQ is generally undervalued.
PCB. Pearl Diver credit.
No, that one doesn't have any information. That's a newer one.
Okay, Pearl Diver.
That's one that I've talked about previously. One of those three there, RIV, RSF, or OPP.
I feel like we did Riv before.
So do OPP. Remember OPP? Get down with OPP.
Yeah, you know me. Down with OPP.
Yeah, you know me. And because we were in SPMC, I know that either of those preferreds above it there will be good. So do the higher yielding one, SPMA.
Okay, SPMA. SPMA. Holy crap, we're going to be doing this forever.
It's going to be a hot minute to hang out with everyone.
Thor.
And there's Trin, TRIN. It's back.
Again. Is it undervalued? Nobody knows.
Well, we'll have to look.
Trin. Is that
Trin.
the last one?
Yeah, I'll do the last one.
Trin. Trin, baby, Trin.
Remember Trin from the Matrix?
Trinity. Yes.
Trinity.
Holy crap, we have a lot. LPG.
We have to verify that LPG has a dividend.
Okay.
Like I said, I got an email about that. Going to Schwab.
Give me a second. I'm going to put that as the thing here and then pop over to this. Schwabby Schwabby. SPN? SPD?
LPG.
LPG.
What are you babbling about?
Everything. Apparently. I'm just like throwing the whole alphabet out.
You know, if you don't know what Dorian is, it's natural gas.
Dorian Gray.
And they don't have a dividend. So this is one of those top secret ones. Scroll down.
So these just kick off specials?
Yeah. It's a special, but it's a regular. It's a regular, irregular special dividend.
So these are fun to get into right before they pop off and then...
No, this one's just always been like this.
Scoopy scoop?
Yeah,
So this one's undervalued, according to those. The LSEG.
you have to click on show more.
Does not pay the dividend.
You know, if you don't, if you're in Schwab and like you think something has a dividend but you're not sure, you come down here, and you go down where it doesn't say it. Normally it'll say right there in the upper corner that we just passed.
Right here?
Yeah.
Upcoming as of blah, 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 blah. Dates will be posted here. So does that mean it's not coming up?
Oh, it should be, because that's... so it's not coming up, so... Keep your peepers peeled for that one, but like it's the 70-cent dividend generally, but like you'll see that it's irregular. They kind of just do a percentage of their free cash.
February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, January, February, March. So it's probably a March.
You forgot December, January, February.
Right, there's a December, January, February. I was trying to think if they were equal
Ex-div
increments.
is where we're doing ex-dividend date. We're not doing payment date.
Whatever. It's does it matter? February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February. So it would be in February sometime. Mid. So probably the week after. Yes?
Oh, I don't know. Like I have to do research.
If I had to
on
guess, that would be like the following week. So
that one was my bad. I got an email about it, so but I'm pretty sure it has a dividend.
next week. Question mark?
I'm pretty sure it's this week. But anyway, DSU.
Well, how are you going to find that? Should we just look it up?
You can. Just Google LPG ex-dividend day. I'd have to go to the actual company right there. Investor stock analysis dividend history.
That one?
Yeah. Dorian LPG Ltd. Yeah, so I don't know why I got that email.
Maybe they have it on their list and then it comes up and they'll announce it next week.
I don't know. So we'll keep our eyes peeled for that one if it comes through.
Might just be a little early.
I'll make a
DSU.
note in the email that this all goes into.
BlackRock Debt Strat.
There we go. So this
Bank loan. It's not even a clickable.
It's a closing fund, I think. Yeah, right there. So it's a 4 and 5 star fund with chart looks pretty fucking sick actually.
The drop is so ridiculous on like every chart. Wow. Look at that thing doing some stuff.
It literally just trades between like $8 and $12. Yeah, see, this is why I've been in this forever.
Forever and ever and ever. Got some fun things here and the stuffs. It's on the 13th. I should probably put that on my list. You know this is going to be on here or no?
I have no idea.
Oh no, what did I just do?
I have no idea if it's going to be on there. I think it's undervalued, but...
What did I just say, the 13th?
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to put that in there because I always forget that for whatever reason. To the valuation we go.
1.6.
So 1.6 whatever. Your average 1.58. And Inception.
No, it's overvalued. Get rid of it.
4.18. Oh no. Are you in this one?
Your mom's in it.
Oh.
But like she's been in it so long that
It just doesn't even matter.
Her cost basis is 0.
Doc. All right. DQ'd on that one.
That's why you make a list of a lot and you shrink it down to a few.
Oh, I probably should not have that wide open. Okay. Where are we at?
This is a stock. It's a healthcare REIT. Ooh, I just traded in the retirement portfolio. I traded LTC, which I didn't like what was going on, for this one, just to see.
Undervalue.
Just for SAGs.
Undervalue according to the LSEG.
It's a 10-cent monthly. And the dividend just went up a lot. Like what? Go back up there once. What's the normal dividend? Because that's all gobbledygook right there.
Right, that is gobbledygook. So is this a new one for you?
So it looks like, click on the box next to 2025. 7, 8, 9. So I guess it's around.
So it looks like they had a bad.
No, that's what they just break it up. You see.
What?
December has 4 payments. So there's an extra for 2.6 cents. There's a regular for 0.004. So that's.
Which data all above?
So okay. Anyway, this one's okay.
This one's okay.
The dividend's fine. It's
Okay.
just gobbledygook.
Gobbledygook. Good. Was that monthly? Or quarterly?
It's monthly.
Oh,
so
yeah. Well covered. Look at that.
It's not well covered. They only had 16 cents and their dividends 10 cents a month.
Oh, I have it backwards.
So we have to do a little bit more research in this. Okay.
Well, but this is
Forward PEs are super high.
WTF.
Okay.
Actually, that's worse going back, isn't it? If there's things as high as it is.
Yes.
Sketchy. Profit margin's only +6.
But do you see if you compare it right? So you scroll down, here's why. Like LTC was, you get twice as many shares for Doc with a lot more market cap for a higher dividend and about the same problem. I wanted to find a healthcare REIT. OHI might be the one that I might have to ultimately get into. I just don't.
What the hell are the financials? Nowhere to be
Click on
found.
show more.
Egad. That was weird. It was literally right there.
So what do we got?
Stuff.
Okay. Where's
Hmm?
revenue's 2,700, so that's cool. Go back to the
The other one? Balance?
balance sheet and scroll all the way down to see the debt.
It's weird that they're...
It'll be like, because when you click on the show more, it like brings
Puts
up
them all
like
weird?
everything. So their debt is
Okay,
out
down
of
here.
control. Okay, so there's their problem. All
They're-
right.
That's bad.
Okay.
That's really
Yeah,
bad.
that one's no good. Get rid
Yep,
of
I concur with you.
that. So don't do as I do.
You mean nix it? That is doing as you do.
No, I just put money into it.
Before you looked?
I did look all that up. Not like it's.
And you said it was worth a gamble?
This is worth a gamble. Now this one,
Don't do as I do. What is that?
this chart looks like cheeks, but let's check it out. It's just
We really like this?
going down and down. Well, there's a lot of people that when they
Oh, is this one of the ones that pays more than it freaking falls?
there,
What is this actually at? $5?
it's almost a penny stock, and you're getting like a 14% yield, I think, or 12% yield, 32% yield, whatever the case may be.
Yeah, it's 32 right now.
I'm pretty sure they can't afford it, but let's check. Oh, it's closing the fund. Okay, even better.
I was going to say, this shouldn't be here. So, premium to discount, negative 6.65 versus the 1 year of negative 3. And it probably is discounted, 10.7. Just looking at that chart, but that's still, I wouldn't necessarily say that's a good...
Well, it fits the metrics, 10% discount. You can't be judgmental with the numbers.
So we have nothing. So you're putting this on regardless?
Yep. It fits all the criteria.
Oy vey.
Not
Alright.
saying it's going to be high on the list or if it even makes the list, but it's one.
32.3. Blah. Div was what? 14 cents.
14 cents a month.
Don't have a profit margin.
10% undervalued.
10?
Yeah. It's like 14% undervalued, so we're just going to do 10.
Yeah. So I would say that's probably should be lowering a bar there.
And I think go to the year to go to the 1 year.
I don't like that.
Yeah, do 525 as the buy up to. It's $5 and $5 and $5.25. That one shouldn't be on the list, but we'll see.
Bad chart.
Bad chart, bad everything. But fits
Well, you put it on the
fits
list.
the criteria that we look for.
Left the
Hey,
icky taste in my mouth.
Again,
I don't care what you say.
they all can't be first.
True.
Some are
You're like, well, I have 10 slotted for space 10.
battling for 10.
47.54.
Okay, you have to exit out of that stuff there.
I do.
Okay, so it has a profit margin of
I close it in fun?
barely any. No,
It's a
it's
preferred.
It's a stock.
You sure it's not a preferred?
Yeah, I'm sure it's not a preferred because it had a preferred.
Oh,
at the
that was a
bottom.
preferred at the bottom. Okay, never mind. I'm confusing that with things. 45,
Hmm.
47. Overvalued.
Overvalued.
Nix
Okay,
it.
so scroll. Well, let's look. Let's not get carried away.
You did it on the other one. 76.
76. 66.
66.
Yeah, Nick's can't afford his dividend.
Yucky.
Can't afford it, so I mean it makes a lot of money. Holy crap, that's $17 billion a year with $1 billion in debt. That's a really good ratio, but they can't afford it. So,
could this have just been high?
No, it's. If you scroll here, so if you see it made 52 cents, it made 36 cents, 55 cents, 66 cents. Scroll up. It's paying 74, 75, 75. So like
I don't know why I always get this backwards.
So it's like
I think it's because it comes first.
They're using their free cash flow, or like they're borrowing money to pay their dividend, and nobody
likes that.
Nobody wants to be part of that unless
HTO.
They're me.
Unless they're me. What are you doing with my money?
It's safe. It's safe.
H2O America. Water boy.
A D rating, really interesting. It's a dividend king, and it has a D rating. Schwab has lost their mind.
We like when
this one's on the list, so it's like 30% undervalued.
Okay, I will take your word for it, Senor. I think that chart looks sexy there. Looking to hit a little reboundy.
I wish I would have got into it when it said L down there. Did you see that on the 40?
L? What, it said L?
Yeah.
Ultra low. Where'd you get in?
Right about there.
Oh, that's not bad. It's pretty low.
Yeah, well, still could have done better.
Oh my god. 61. Is that a reasonable 61?
Nah, sure. Doesn't matter.
You, sir.
You just want to know it's undervalued, and you worry about your entry price at that point.
40% dividend.
Now, this is one of those dividend growers. Like, this is, I know that yield doesn't look that promising, at 3-point-some percent, 3.3. But
we said king.
Because it's raised its dividend 57 or 58 years in a row, and its average raise, it's like dividend growth rates like 5 to 10%, depending what year time frame you look at.
Mm-hmm.
Just put this in your retirement account and let it do what it's going to do. But that's my 2 cents.
Your 2 cents.
Because as a utility, it literally has a monopoly, and because water is going to be hard to come by for the the data centers here soon.
We keep talking about that 13.59.
There's very few times you're actually presented with
these buying
situations where you know it's going to happen. The fact that the water is becoming scarce.
Well, and I think
already.
The last one that we even talked about that was kind of like that, was the bonds. That perfect storm that happened a few years ago, where they were so undervalued.
Yeah.
And Tim was like, "What is going on?" And it was before anybody even started talking about it. And they just what did you make on the bond funds and bonds? It was insane. It was 30%.
I made 70 in one, 30 in another.
70 in a bond. I mean, that's just ridiculous.
And then in actual individual bonds, we were making 30, 40, 50%. And individual bonds, it was a perfect storm. When it's very nice whenever you can see that what's happening or what's going to happen, because the market's so unpredictable and it's based on emotions and whatnot. What are you doing?
I don't know what I'm doing. What am I looking for?
I have no idea.
Oh, PE ratio. It's been a week since I did this. My brain was like, neat. Don't judge me.
But water utilities, if you don't like HTO, you might find other ones like AWK or whatever. Water utilities are gonna be pretty sick things to be invested in for the next 10 years.
Lots of utilities. Yeah, especially when they start doing the desalination plants and things.
And by that point, because you have 10 years in them, your cost basis is going to be next to nothing.
Right. And then that increase in the dividend magnet with these kings and stuff. 20.11.
Do I need to take the keyboard?
What? What did I do wrong?
You take so long.
Maybe we should go back and forth, see who doesn't suck as bad.
Man.
God.
55.27. So that chart, I don't really like how that looks, but can't win them all. I mean, it doesn't help it any. 57.76. What is it, undervalued or overvalued? I don't.
Undervalued.
Okay.
By a smidgy. Where the hell did it go? 57 and it was 55. Pay attention.
No, I'm busy.
4.08.
This one just raised their dividend though, and that's actually pretty good. And I can afford their dividend with this last 4 earnings reports. Nice.
7.78. Profit margin is 37.
Yep.
Put it on the list.
On the list.
Do you want to look at the debts and stuff?
Well, the debt should be pretty high because it's a oil thing, but it makes a lot of money. So.
Oh yeah, it makes a lot of money. Look at that debt. Oh my god.
And they generally have a lot of debt.
They're like, we got a little bit knocked off, back right up. All right, 37.93.
And if you can find good energy stocks, we're all looking at oil stocks right now, like EPD or ET or MPLX or AMZA, I think is another one. Like if you can find good energy stocks that have a good yield, might as well start piling into them because oil's not going anywhere and they're all like undervalued right now because the last 2 years they've been depressed pretty severely. I can't get over that dividend, $1.08. That's crazy.
Is it?
Yeah. That one actually has better numbers than EPD. We've been in EPD for a hot minute, like 2 years, 3 years.
I thought we had MPLX.
Years ago, like 2018 maybe, because back then it was yielding like 13%, somewhere around there. See like how far ago. It's right. Click on the 5-year chart, like how the reason I was in it years ago. That chart's actually pretty sick. Holy shit.
Sad thing you got out.
Yeah, it's a whoopsie.
Should add that to your whoopsie list.
Well, it wasn't because I got out over here and I didn't do crap until like recently. So.
Oh wow, you were in it before 22?
Yeah. That one used to be like
Why didn't
I want to say like
how has this not been back on the list then?
$9 or $10. Well, I don't know.
Especially with oil. Oh, I guess oil and gas and stuff have been suppressed.
I just look at what I look at. I'm sorry. OHI probably is better than DOC. Healthcare REIT. What's Chickadoo?
42.
Oh, look at that chart. That looks better than. Okay. Nice.
47. 67. No.
Let's look at their debt and revenue and
They
everything.
have a pretty consistent dividend, and they're just not making it.
Yeah. That's why we look at all this stuff because, like, there's like for 1 quarter it could afford their dividend, but if they consistent,
It's a high profit margin.
But it's a REIT, so it's like net interest income. It's not. The debt's coming down, so that's good. That revenue's going up.
A lot.
Jeez. What was the cost of this one?
42.
No, get rid of it.
I think it was 42. Hold on, let's verify. Yeah, 42.
That's a high price with that much risk.
All right, explain.
Well, because the dividend hasn't been covered in like
Multi-months, multi-quarters.
Multi-years. I mean, you can always double check. Go OHI's net interest NII.
NII what? OHI's NII?
Mm-hmm.
What is NII?
NIO? Net interest income.
I got Asian stuff here. What's happening? You sure it's NII?
Yes. Net income. $0.79 in their last quarter, which more than covers their dividends. So that's why like REITs are
Different
because you have to look at the net interest. You can put on the list. Did you delete it?
It's okay. I can undo.
Yeah, put it on the list. And then we'll have to make a note that the NII covers this quite nicely.
You.
Well, I forgot it was a REIT. I was busy babbling about something, and then
See? So easy to get distracted.
it's unacceptable.
It's actually hard to do this while you're babbling about things. 48. That's big. 48.36.
It is big, but I'm more concerned that the 79 cent
Yeah, I understand.
covers the
But
67.
still, how would they have a massive profit margin if they were doing whatever?
And that Ford PE looks a lot better than that other one. Docs was what, 67 or some shit. So that's much better.
I think that was 93, right? Yes, maybe something.
Yes.
623.
29.
I actually knew what you were talking about. Haha. Doesn't usually happen. I'm like, what numbers are you throwing out? I don't understand. And it's always like the date. I like that chart. 42.93.
So just do 47. No need to get all specific with the pennies. RNP.
Hold on.
Oh, we gotta look at.
You pulled a me.
Well, I thought you were done with this by now.
Oh my god. Do not even. Give me shit.
Oh, so now you have to go to that
That thing with the list.
Full ratio.
What is it?
Full ratio.
Full ratio what?
That's what you just type in, full ratio.
Current ratio by industry?
Yeah.
This?
Yeah, I guess. That's what it's called. I don't know. Oh, full ratio. There you go.
I'm like, wait, that can't be right. AI, that is a bad output. What do we know what this is?
It's a healthcare REIT.
But actually,
REIT. Why is it not there? What?
we'll do it this way. Really?
What? They redid that.
There's no way it's 145. Is it really 145?
No, I can't be. Like, why is that? Let me see the full ratio again. Scroll up a little bit. That's not scrolling up. That's just literally blowing through everything. Where do all the REITs go? Like, there's this new, they changed everything around. I have to find the new one now. Huh.
That's annoying.
Yeah.
Well, you are no longer an adequate site. Oh my.
What the hell?
I can't even find it through this.
That's crazy.
Healthcare Realty Trust. That's a different company, is it not?
Yeah, it's a company. You're gonna have to do
We're gonna table this?
just put NA and then
Question marks?
I'll have to try to find that.
RNP.
Try to find that. If you guys are subscribed to email, I'll have the number in there whenever I find.
If it even makes the list. Yes?
Yeah,
It'll make the list.
it might make the list. Look at that, all 5 stars. Wow,
That means it's probably Muy Male.
wow. I sound like Owen Wilson. Wow,
Wow.
wow.
20.
This is closing in fun. That's what all the stars were about.
Oh, you know me. 2.9, negative 7.8.
1.78.
Whatever. Overvalued. Easy nicks.
Bust it out.
Delete.
SCCO. Now this one is the metals and mining one. This one's fun. I think they have copper. Like it's mainly copper.
Mm-hmm.
But they have other things.
Okay.
It's pricey, but let's check it out.
Of course it's pricey.
Look
Did you
at
just
that.
see what happened with gold and all that stuff?
Well, I said...
Look at this.
Everyone was talking about gold and silver, and I kept talking about copper. I'm like, dude, copper's going to be
Copper.
off the chain.
Yeah, right. All right. 213.
That's fully, yeah, it's overvalued. Look at that.
Holy crap. 165 versus
holy
213.
shit.
Does that mean a Nix?
It is a Nix, but like...
Shortish.
Look at that. Wow.
Dollar dividend.
So there it is, the copper company that everyone
Can they
gets
afford
into.
it? Is it quarterly? Oh,
Yeah,
it is.
they
got it.
They can afford it, but it doesn't change the fact that the share price is 100% overvalued. And then generally these companies are going to have a good amount of debt because of exploration and mining and everything, but they do make a shit ton of money as well.
What the hell is the debt at? Was it on the other one?
Yeah.
Oh, my bad. Oh, revenue is what I'm looking at.
Look, their net income actually is like half their debt. That's crazy.
Whoa.
Or actually, like 2/3 their debt. Yeah, so that's an interesting one. If you want to actually get in on the metals and mining, there are some out there that actually have dividends, but that one's off the list. That one's
severely overvalued.
Even if
it has KVUE. KVU what?
What are you doing?
Who is KVU spinoff?
Yeah, I don't remember. Johnson & Johnson.
J&J. There's your answer. You take that off now.
No, you can look at it.
Oh, you wanted to look at it?
Yeah, you can look at it. Tylenol and
KVUE.
Band-Aid and all that other, like, all the stuff that's not, like, harmful to you, other than, I guess, Tylenol may or may not be.
Tylenol kills more people than car accidents a year.
Sure.
If you actually dig into the statistics of it.
Sure it does.
Mm-hmm.
I bet you all those people in car accidents get Tylenol at the hospital.
It's a slow grind because what Tylenol does is the NSAIDs or whatever disrupt your COX-2 pathway, which the body cannot distinguish between the digestive system and the actual immune system or whatever. So it shuts the immune system down and the digestive system, which then creates...
So there you become skinny.
No. Digestive means that your body's not absorbing anything you eat, so then you end up in nutrient deficient, which then compounds the actual immunocompromisation.
All I heard is take it before the summer and you have a killer bod.
Yeah, no.
Okay, scroll down. Yuck.
Yuck with the chart? 1916? It's
Was
a
that
little...
Kimberly?
What are we doing?
Kimberly Clark and KVU announced that
They're going to buy it out?
Oh, that's what it was. Because that's the company we're in, KMB.
Well, that's why you saw it. KMB is buying it.
Yeah.
Oh. Does that mean the price of this will shoot up randomly?
Probably.
I don't know how, though. It'll go down and get dissolved into it.
That's a pretty good dividend.
20 cents.
Oh, you can take it off the list now because they're being bought up. Like, I never like to actually do that.
Get into that whole thing. Actually, they're not doing half bad.
That's what I'm saying. It's actually a pretty good company. It's just...
I would imagine Johnson & Johnson's spinoff would make sense. Okay, I wasn't even sure why we were looking at that one.
I knew the
saw it somewhere.
The ticker somewhere. I just couldn't. I thought it was KMB.
TGT.
And this chart's going to look just ridiculous. But let's all giggle about it together. Oh well, we got that under $100, so that's good. Yay!
Yay!
Got it for like 92, 93. So it's.
Oh wow, we have a heck of an increase in value then.
It's gone up.
Hey.
It's gone up a little bit. Go to the 5 years, so we can all laugh at this.
So we can all laugh at this. 3 year probably looks way better. Maybe not.
Look at that. The 1 year looks really good.
1 year looks really good.
But like that's what I'm saying. Like this one normally should be in the 150 to 160 range, and it's like it was like under $100 for a hot.
Oh my god! It almost hit 80. Holy Christ!
Yeah, so my 92 doesn't look that good now, right?
No, not really. You did poorly.
I know.
Could have done better. I've had better. 101. So this is saying overvalued?
It's not overvalued.
What did I just click on? Things that don't matter. All right, 114 dividend. That's a big dividend.
Yeah.
Quarterly. Can afford it. That's all over the place.
But it's always afforded its dividends.
3.56 profit margin.
We got to think of look at the amount of.
So is
debt.
this going on the list?
Yeah.
We're just disregarding the values.
Look at the income.
Look at the income.
Are you serious?
Oh my god.
Are you serious? Yeah.
I didn't know Target made that much. Holy shit.
That's $106 billion in the year. It's like, yeah.
That's why we're in it.
Anytime you can get this for under $100, you just buy it.
Oh my god. You're like right there. 1528. Oh my god. That's funny.
And I think, if I recall correctly, when I was reading about Target, their actual 5-year PE ratio is in the 18 to 20 range, so it's even undervalued compared to itself.
So the whatever's low on this, the dividend
But they've raised their dividend for 50,
I was going to say they're a grower.
53 years or something. They're a king too.
Yeah, 16.
Well, we can look it up in Google just to verify.
Do we need to?
Yeah.
Yeah, we should.
Target's dividend growth streak.
Crap. You were supposed to look at this number for me. 11. 211. Oh, there's no 10.
So we have to go to Yahoo Finance anyways to get a better.
I don't care.
$101.
Oh, the price.
Yeah.
Well, what if it still says it's undervalued?
Well, I know they're wrong, so this is where I trump all the other people.
I use people's experts' opinions until they're irrelevant.
Pretty much, yeah. I think fair value market price would be like probably 136 would be my guess.
Mm-hmm. So do you want me to put it in here?
No, we can double check it. Just so.
Yahoo!
But you can look at the Target's dividend growth streak too while we're
doing things.
On the things. Oh, look at that. Agent Orange.
I'm sorry, that makes me laugh so hard.
There he is.
You actually forgot about Agent Orange, the chemical? Like,
I did, yeah.
that's so funny because it's like a double entendre.
So let's look at what their growth is projected to be. 5%. Okay.
That's it?
Yeah. Well, they don't grow a lot because they just.
Oh, I thought they'd have a growth after that, whatever happened.
Well, they still have it.
There's your analyst expertise. It is nowhere near.
Well, you have to look. There's 38. I'm leaning towards the person that says 140, so just put 130.
There. You happy?
I am. I'll go
Okay.
back into Google and to Target's. You could just click on the other. All right.
Oh, can I?
TGT's dividend growth streak.
On here?
No, on my Yahoo Finance, just up in the toolbar. Just type TGT's dividend growth history streak. No, up here.
I don't understand. I can't type it in there. First
You
of all, I
can.
want to keep this window open. Second of all, no, that's not how my thing works because my
Wow.
default thing is stupid because I'm too lazy to change it. TGT's, what? Dividend growth streak?
Dividend growth streak, yeah.
Tell me how to use my computer. I have all set up all ghetto.
55.
Like, oh,
So I was selling it short by 53.
okay.
But it's paid an uninterrupted dividend for 232 quarters. Did you see that? Holy crap.
I did not.
That's crazy.
That is crazy. Go Target.
Well, that's where all the yuppers shop.
I like that they take phones their cycle.
This was closing to fund. You can tell by the morning star in that corner there.
Bottom. That's all I care about, right?
Yes.
Premium the discount. Negative 6.84 and negative 5 and negative 8.
Overvalued. Get rid of it.
Slashy. Oh my, slashy. EAD.
Still have fucking 30 more to do.
I know. That's why I keep like, why do you want to leave things on the list? EAD.
'Cause
EAD.
I'm being thorough.
Are you?
I'm turning over 36 random stones and see what happens.
Wow, that's valid. All right, another thing.
It's probably
Negative
gonna,
6.4.
probably gonna be negative 8
Negative
again.
5 point whatever. Yeah, probably around negative. Oh, no.
It's 5% undervalued. Okay, cool.
Keeping it?
Yeah.
Okay, 5% undervalued.
5% undervalued.
How does this happen?
I don't know. Shocks me too.
Are we looking at the chart?
Chart's fine. Trading sideways for like almost a year.
Whoa. That's actually not half bad. Right. What are we looking at? Inception.
Dividend.
2003. Getting there. 5 cents and 9.35.
5 cents a month, and you're getting 9%. Wow, that's pretty good.
9 point what?
9.35. You said.
Okay. We don't have that. What's 5%? Times this?
Yep.
Okay. There you go. I didn't see when that was. 12. 212.
212.
212. Were they all 212?
I don't know.
No, 13. GDV.
GDV. Now, if you're a fan of the closing of funds when we go over them, you could subscribe to the Contrarian Outlook. They have like a free email subscription where they send you like investment ideas like probably 4 times a week.
Overvalue?
Scroll up. That's really close. That's like almost fair value. What are we getting out of this one? Yeah, I'll get rid of it. 6% in the closing of fund is like the average closing of fund yield is like 8%. So
GNT?
you have to give me a reason.
Better than that.
Give me a reason to get into you.
Gamco. We did go with Gamco.
Yeah.
Ooh, it's another. Whoa.
Yeah, I got into that like over there in October. And
Here.
then like October 2025, I started to add to this a couple hundred, like with the cash in the Schwab
It
account.
just shot
And
off.
it literally shot up within like 3 weeks, and I couldn't add to it anymore because it's just out of control.
Wow.
I'm pretty sure it's overvalued.
Sucks to be you.
Pretty sure it's overvalued, but
All right. Negative 9.3. Negative 9.73.
it might not be overvalued.
And negative 7.
Oh, it's about fair value. Okay.
Negative 7 points and negative 9.
Well, it's 2%, but yeah, fair value. Fair valued.
Oh, are we leaving it on here?
Yeah. Even though it has that ridiculous upswing. Holy crap, that was big. But it pays you every month, so you like
Fair
that.
valued.
It's 7% on we'll look at their holdings here in a second.
I thought you said they weren't worth it if they weren't at least 8.
Macro trends.
What is this macro trend?
Look at their holdings. Scroll up a little bit. Newmont, all the gold companies, and then some. Then it has some oil exposure with ExxonMobil, and it has John Deere, which is AI and farmland exposure.
Oh, look, Will Wheaton, precious metals.
I'm saying, man, like they hold a bunch of good shit.
Okay, I'll give you that one. I will stop bickering. I don't know what the hell you're gonna put for fair value though. What says 821.
Well, its NAV is 896, but I would put 825, and we'll just make a note whenever I type it up that wait for it to drop below 8.
Okay, PGZ.
Is this another real estate one? I just like went all balls in with the real estate this week.
Yeah, you seem to do that quite frequently.
Look at that chart. Ooh, that was a nice looking chart.
It was a very nice looking chart on all of the. Ooh.
Look at that long consolidation period.
Straight to the value. Negative 9.82. Slightly under for that.
Yeah, but it's overvalued.
Overvalued on that one. Nix it.
Get rid of that one. I'm done with this one.
A pretty chart be damned. EDF.
Well, I think this one's overvalued too, but we'll see. Because again, this is an emerging market one, and like I'm a huge fan of emerging markets.
Yeah, many a thing.
It's almost a penny stock.
$5. Yeah,
it is a fine. It is.
It is $4.99.
Yeah, holy shit!
Oh, oh.
Look at that!
Look at
Look at that! That's just trading sideways.
Dude, nice. I would have hated to have my freaking stop loss go in that one. Ooh. Ooh. That's a reason to never have the stop losses. 511, -3.
Wow, okay, so that's 10% undervalued. Holy shit.
Undervalued?
Yeah.
Does that mean?
Hey, put on the list 10%.
Hot blazing.
Holy hell, that's a really good one.
Hot blazing list. Oh, see, look, we do find these freaking.
That's a really good one.
Out of nowhere. 6 cents. 14.55.
You're getting a 10% undervalued closing-end fund that yields 14.5%. That's crazy. That's a really good one. Huzzah!
Huzzah! You gonna buy it?
We'll see.
If you can find money.
Yeah, probably.
I knew what you were hesitating on. You're like, do I have cash? Can I find?
I wouldn't go up to the full 10% because then you're overpaying for its net. So I would just go up to the 550 range.
Oh, we know you like penny stocks. Look at you. Didn't you just buy another penny stock or something? What do you want to put it at?
550.
Okay. Ding ding.
Now this one may or may not be overvalued or undervalued. I don't. It was the last 3 or 4 times I looked at this one, it was overvalued.
22.54.
Look what it holds. It holds all the it holds all the big guns.
Yeah. 70, -10. Really?
Yeah, so that dropped in price. Okay, so let's go up to the chart one.
Stick it on.
Hold on.
1 year. 3 year. That would have been a good pickup. Oh my god.
Yeah, put it on. It holds a lot of good companies.
I don't remember the markets having that big of a.
You remember April whenever he said I'm putting tariffs on everyone.
Oh, I guess you're right. I just didn't think it lasted. Well, I guess it did last that long. The crater. 22.54. All right, we're doing it. It's like all of these are good. Sucks if you bought last week, eh?
Well, I said don't. If you're not comfortable,
don't buy.
Don't buy. Cause you see, it has Nvidia, Broadcom.
15 cents.
Microsoft.
$7.96.
Looks like it pays a normal 15-cent dividend, then it gives you a special dividend if they have money left over.
And special.
That's what that looks like.
Oh yeah.
So you got $1.19 on top of your normal 15-cent dividend in December.
Monthly. Ooh la la. All right. What do you want?
Go back down to the bottom.
It was kind of like.
It's 5% undervalued, and I would go 23.
23 even?
Yeah.
ZTR.
Yeah. I'm gonna have to make a fucking list of this thing. Oh my god.
You can always order them and then not come out with the full thing till Friday.
The Morningstar is not a fan.
They're like, we do that like you.
But it's a total return, so like we have to see
-10.
what they hold.
-8.
Scroll up to what they hold real quick.
Knee. Spree.
So it's a
Duke.
Utility.
We do like the utilities.
And like a choo-choo train.
Canadian Railway. Ooh.
Yeah, there's 3.
It's a Marcus stock.
There's 3 choo-choo trains on there. You got Union Pacific, you got Canadian National, and you got Canadian Pacific.
I feel like we're playing Monopoly. Look at that.
I'm gonna put it on the list.
I feel like we're putting everything on the list this week. 648.
I don't know what Morningstar is talking about. That looks like a really good. Getting 9%.
I don't know. Maybe they are trying to manipulate people into not buying things. 932.
I have to think about that one.
Well, think in your downtime that you do. How undervalued did you say? 5?
Around there, yeah.
Fair?
Yeah, 5%.
Okay.
But I wouldn't go above 7 on that one, just in case. That way you have 9%.
Okay.
Cushion.
PSTZ.
Science and technology, again.
I feel like we did this.
Morningstar's not a fan.
Yeah, are they ever on anything that's awesome? Science. You know we love our science.
So that 1.73 billion in assets under management is pretty sick. Apple Oven, I don't like their holdings, but okay.
You think they'd have more Tesla?
If I wanted Nvidia, I would just do
right.
Another way to get exposure. I don't think I like this one.
-5, -10, 8. Technically, it's undervalued, but if you don't like it, nix it.
Get rid of it.
I agree. It doesn't have as much diversity as it should. It's the whole point of buying funds. CSWC.
And this one, you can just. I know it's good. So you can just put it on the list. It's like one of the better ran BDCs.
Yeah. 23, 28.
Although it is in an upswing. I'm not going to wait. No, nix it.
What?
Nix it. That one you can get, like that CSWC, like that's a really well-ran BDC, but like you can probably get that at
so watch list it.
$22. Yeah, put that on your watch list.
So watch list it. You gotta remember to stick that one on. CION? You're not.
No.
So if you were just on the email, you'd be not hearing these juicy tidbits.
You could probably get that CSWC for $21.50.
You could just stick a freaking limit order in for it.
Yeah, probably. There's another BDC, but this one's not near as well ran as the last one we just looked at.
890.
Although the chart looks pretty good.
Shut up, phone. Nobody likes
Everything
you.
was going well until the tariffs, and then it's like, we're good.
5-year held up. Fairly alright. Meh. Charts aren't terrible.
What's it say, $10, $11?
Yeah, 1067.
They just dropped their dividend by a lot, though.
Oh, like literally a third.
Oh, okay, that's never good.
10 cents.
Well, no, hold on, go back up to that once. Click on show more. I think they just cut it by a little bit, and they just went from quarterly to dividend, or to monthly. Let's look. Yeah, so they were doing 36 cents a quarter instead. Now they're doing 30, so it was only a 6-cent drop instead of the 26.
That's still a drop.
Yeah.
Just to make people do monthly. You get rid of it just for that?
Yeah, well, like there's better ones on the list too.
All right.
It can cover the dividend, and it has. I bet it has.
They did that, and they had that happen. Well, I just don't like them then. Stingy bofos. Bofos? SJM.
Not a fan of like when they cut the dividend for no reason. That really bothers me. I'm sure they had a very good reason in their shareholder report. Like, we're trying to preserve capital so we can invest more money.
105.
That's a downward trajectory, isn't it?
It is a little bit.
Again, I think you probably get that one for a better price. Let's look. 115.
$1.10.
You look. Again, go into Google once in SJM's dividend growth streak. I don't know what. I think there might be a dividend aristocrat.
Probably.
Almost. One more, and there'll be an aristocrat. Probably this year, because it looks like July they make their raise. So
oh, nice.
This will be a dividend aristocrat.
So that's gonna get all the pub here soon.
Yeah.
And which I imagine the price will take off if that happens, because it'll get hypedy.
Oh, 110, and they have 210, and no one can That's really good. Holy shit.
Yeah. Very nice.
But their profit margin's kind of shit.
Why is it so low? Assets went down.
Debt went up, but it went down.
Went down, kind of.
So 8,000. So that's 8,726,000,000. Go back to the debt ones. No, get rid of it. Profit margin's important, so I don't know how they're going to afford their dividend increases if they.
OXLC.
And these next two are like very
sketchy.
Risky, but you can make money in them if you
do it right.
Study the charts. And
are these the band traders? Really?
You can make money in this one. I bet you if you buy it right now, you'd make money in it. Actually.
How low is this? 1107.
So it's like 52-week low because of interest rate problem.
Well, that means it's got to be below value. Look at this. Look at this.
Yeah.
There's no way it's not. 34.
So it's like 50,
negative 27.
That's 50% undervalued.
Are you actually going to put 50% undervalued?
No.
You going to put this on the list?
Yeah.
What are you putting?
10. The dividend will cover that. So if I'm off by 10%,
right,
the dividend's like
or more.
40%. 33%.
40 cents. 32.63. Jesus.
And that's a monthly dividend too. That's crazy. You can make a lot of money in that one.
Right. 13th. Okay, so the rest of these are 13th. Did I do 63 or did I screw that one up? No, I did. We're good.
That might be number 10. Holy shit. I don't like. We were in it years ago and we made money in it, but I didn't like
that it kept going down.
You could just see how, and they did a reverse stock split to jack the price up from like a $2 up to $10 or $11, wherever it's at.
That's what I thought you were talking about. So.
Yeah.
10%. Or you making a number out of your butt.
Do 11.50. Now that one there, if you get in right now at $11.07 with that 40 cents a month, you're going to be making, what is that? 40 times 12. 480.
My phone is beside you. This one looks very.
So it'd be 480 in dividends for the 12 months if that. Oh wow.
Yeah, I don't know about.
What's the LSAC say on that one?
$1.75.
Yeah, get rid of it. Back to what I was saying though, you make 480 in dividends, like that literally knocks you down to a cost basis of $6.20.
OPP.
Like, yeah, you can make some money in OXLC.
Where the hell did they get OPP from?
I don't know.
River North Double A Line Stratico.
River
OPP.
North Double Line Strategic Opportunity. Closing the fund.
Op. It's not what I would have guessed.
Opportunity. Wow, that chart looks like cheeks. Holy cheek fest.
That's only the 1 year. What the hell happened?
So it came out of COVID strong and then it just died. It never went up. It must be interest rate sensitive. Well, I'd be interested in what they're holding. Government mortgage, yeah. So interest rate sensitive, yeah.
Nice call. So it has to be undervalued. Yep.
5%. What's the yield? Yeah, put it on the list and I'll make a determination.
Should I write something about interest rate sensitive?
Yeah. Like the one, it gets very tricky whenever you're dealing with interest rates because even when like common sense would say, well, when the interest rates go up, the stock goes down. Common sense would say, well, when interest rates go down, the stock will go up. But that's not necessarily the case. That means whenever they borrow money, they're borrowing it now at a higher rate, and they're going to have to pay it at and it'll be lower. So they're actually losing money.
What did you want to do? $5?
$8.
Yeah, but what percent undervalued?
A 5, yeah.
An 8 even?
Yeah.
Okay. SPMA.
Now this one, I'm not sure if it'll actually show up, but we'll see. This one's probably going to be mixed, but we were in SPMC and it was ass.
Sound Point Meridian.
Yeah, get rid of it. It's overvalued.
How the hell do you know that?
It's $25 preferred and it's $25.25.
Oh.
And that's one of those guys, like with a bond, you don't want to pay more than $1,000
That would have
per
been the time
bond.
to pick it up. Well, maybe
Like
not.
with the preferred, do you want to look at that? Go up to the corner so they can see it again real quick.
Hold on.
See where it says face amount at issue? It says $25.
Yeah, you don't want to go above that. That puts
That's
you in like risk land.
Yeah. So if they call it back, you're losing 25 cents on every share.
And
that
that
you
can
buy.
happen at any given point, especially in an interest rate climate where they can move stuff around.
Yeah. So never.
Trends on the list, right?
I would think, but we'll have to double check. I don't know. I haven't looked at it since they went to monthly dividend payer.
1643. Did this thing come
All I
back?
do is make money on this one.
I was gonna say, did this thing come back down to earth yet?
I literally just print me money. It has to be overvalued. It has to. But let's look at what LSEG says. No, it's not. Are you serious? How?
I don't know.
How? Why'd you go down there?
I didn't. I don't know what happened. My elbow or something hit something. 60, 67. Fair.
Yeah, so I would just do that. But I'd make a note that you probably can get it like 15.50 and then.
You can make a note in a second.
Okay. This one literally just went from paying 51 cents a quarter to 17 cents a month.
That's more than 51 cents.
No, it's not. 17 plus 17 is 34. 34 plus 17 is 51.
Oh, so then it didn't actually take anything off. That's
No,
nice.
it's just doing a monthly payer, so you're compounding faster. So like they're really trying to make me more money.
Oh, they actually did it good instead of that other one that took shaved 6 cents off.
Yeah.
So 17 and 12.48.
Like if I showed you like our spreadsheet on Trinity Capital, you guys would be just like blown away. Like when I say
The
that
fact
all I
that we've
do,
sold
all I
so
do
much
is
of it
make
off.
money on this. Like this in both accounts, this was the first stock that I actually recouped my initial investment in, and I'm like $3,000 up in one account that's all like all profit, and I'm like $5,000 in another that's all profit. All I do is make money from this fucking thing.
Like we've had this thing paid back.
And like now it's like when it's like it's overvalued right now, so I'm pretty much I turn the drip off, just take the huge cash and I put it towards other stuff. This thing's actually helped me get other investments. It's insane. And they always talk shit on BDCs, like oh BDCs are risky investments. Well, damn,
Dude,
man.
everything's a risky investment anymore. It feels like it, especially with the what you call it, Agent Orange.
All he used to do is like, I don't like where the market's at, so I'm gonna say some dumb shit, and then the market falls, and he's like, I love the market. Everything about the market's great, and then the market goes up. It is such nonsense.
It is so crazy that people's sentiment is so easily swayed. 24.87.
I'd be interested to go into
It's really low.
Go into Google once and see what Trinity Capital's price.
I actually want to see what this
price to earnings.
Price to earnings.
Oh, dude.
Hold on, trend. I actually want to see what the hell. Where we at? There it goes.
What's their growth estimate? I'd be interested in that. No growth. Okay, interesting.
Interesting.
So that means that
That's what I was curious.
price is going to be like 15.50 or whatever.
What are you doing? Oh, there it goes.
16.70. Yeah. But it's rated to buy. Look at that. Even with the price target being like right around the corner, like 7 out of 10 rated as a buy. That's crazy. Go in there and look at Trinity's price to earnings or 5-year price to earnings ratio. And make sure it's TRIN and not TRN, which is a 8.3. Okay, scroll down a little bit. So it's even undervalued compared to itself. Fascinating.
It is fascinating. Considering it's done nothing but go up, so I don't understand.
It doesn't always go up; it goes down.
No, but I guess because of the dividends it throws off for us.
Yeah, the dividends it pays so much in dividends.
Okay, there's your list.
Oh, there's my list.
There's your list.
All right, let's
check for comments. Nobody's on here. Okay.
Let's see what we can do with this list.
You do you, bro.
All right, so we want that one's gonna be. What do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I have to get rid of 3. Okay. We'll get rid of that one.
LPP.
Just because.
Yeah, you could just right click.
I know. It's more emphatic whenever you.
It's like hanging your phone up.
Yeah.
Sure. Wait, are you sure? Hold on a second.
Yeah.
You counted 10? Okay, good to you.
One more, right?
Yep, one more.
Oh no, that one's gonna be at the top. That one's gonna be up there too. That one's gonna be up there too.
So that other one was pretty cray-cray. EDF.
That one's gonna be up there. That one's gonna be up there. I'll get rid of that one.
Just because we have no idea?
No, it's just what the numbers are saying.
So what do you organize by again? Profit margin?
I do profit margin, then I do yield, but then I look at the prices. So it's like it's a trifecta.
So it's kind of like a balancing trio.
Yeah. So that one's more undervalued. I mean, this one. I'm sorry, this one goes up here. You can make so much money on that one. That one is number 10. That one number 9. That one to go there. There we go.
There's the list.
There's the list. Implex, H2O, Trinity, Target. That's a pretty good list, actually.
Very nice.
If you invested equally across all 10 of those, you'd be making probably...
Crazy yield.
Just tabulate that, sum that up real quick, and then divide by 10. Or you can do some fancy fucking equation. Maybe making 13% and like 1, 2 of those, 3 of those had like dividend growth streaks going. That's a really good list. All right, take a peek at next week's, in case you're not in invested in any of these companies.
How do I do that?
Go into your chart and just do 14 through 21.
I did do full screen, right? Yeah, okay, I did. What did you say to me?
Just do 14 through 21.
I'm working on it. I gotta get places. 14 through 21. Play.
We can see what, just to see real quick. Chevron, that's good. Enbridge, EQ, and R, that's decent.
HRZN.
HRZN is absolute shit.
Is it?
Anymore, yeah.
Pico.
SPE is pretty good. UPS is a dividend grower. Yeah, so next, I see a lot of dividend growers, actually.
Glad.
Yeah.
Lando. I just watched Star Wars.
There's Microsoft, but
Lando Calrissian.
no one cares about that. No one cares about that pittance that they distribute.
Oh, there's emo and all them again.
There's LTC.
J.
There's LTC. It's gross.
LTC's gross?
Well, no, it's probably all right, but I just think Doc has more.
PPG.
Yeah, so there seems to be okay. Like this week's list, it looks like it's better than what next week's is just going to be okay. There's a few dividend growers on there, but
yeah, I definitely think this week, if you got the cash, I'd go more in this week.
Yeah, that's the list. Next week, same bad time. Next week will actually probably be on location.
This freaking car, man.
Fingers crossed. I've been riding a recumbent bike to do training, like start my training, and it kind of blows compared to like an actual bike.
I'm so ready to be out of here, but I am determined to figure this car out.
Yeah, so if you have any questions or comments, again, just comment. We'll address them first thing next week.
Yeah, if you want anything evaluated or whatever, our opinions on things, or his opinion, not mine, just drop it in the comments.
Okay, other than that, guys, have a good night. I'm gonna go to bed.
Me too. Bye.